Welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to export a diagram to PDF in Draw.io. This is an essential skill when you need to share your flow, charts, diagrams, or organizational charts in a professional, widely compatible format that maintains all your visual details. Let's start by heading over to draw.com. Once you're on the home page, click the Start button to begin. This will direct you to another tab where the actual drawing workspace opens up. This is where all the magic happens, whether you're creating a new diagram from scratch or working on an existing one. Now, once you have your diagram ready to export, look to the top left corner of your screen and click on File. A drop-down menu will appear with various options for managing your diagram. From this menu, navigate to Export As and then select PDF. This specific format ensures your diagram remains crisp and accessible across different devices and platforms without losing quality. After selecting PDF, a settings window will appear giving you control over how your diagram is exported. First, you might want to check the checkbox for selection only if you're working with a large diagram but only need to export a specific portion. This is particularly useful when dealing with complex multi-page projects. Next, you'll see options for page view, crop, and fit to. These settings help you determine how your diagram will be positioned and sized on the PDF page, ensuring it looks exactly how you want it. Additionally, you can edit the border width and adjust the zoom percentage to fine-tune the spacing around your diagram. There are also checkboxes for grid, shadow, transparent background, and include a copy of my diagram. The transparent background option is especially handy if you plan to overlay your diagram onto other documents or presentations later. Including a copy of your diagram allows others to edit it if they open the PDF in Draw.io later. Once you've configured all these settings to your liking, click Export to proceed. A new dialog will appear asking you to give a file name for your diagram. Choose something descriptive that helps you identify it later. You'll also need to select where you want to download it on your computer, whether that's your Downloads folder, desktop, or a specific project directory. After you've named your file and selected the location, click OK and your diagram will start downloading immediately. You'll see it appear in your Downloads or chosen folder ready to share, print, or present. And that's it, you've successfully exported your diagram to PDF in Draw.io. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.